Today we will be discussing about G.P. Thomson experiment. Now, the de Broglie matter waves hypothesis was further verified by G.P. Thomson. In Thomson experiment, the transmission of electron through a thin foil of polycrystalline material was analyzed. A beam of approximately homogeneous electrons was sent through a very thin film at normal incidence. After passing through the thin film, the scattered electrons were received on a photographic plate some distance behind, as shown in figure 1. If wave corrector were not associated with the electrons, then one expected a blurred spot in the direction of the incident electron beam. If wave corrector is associated with the electron, then a pattern identical with that obtained in Debye scalar apparatus with X-rays of the same wavelength was expected. A necessary condition was that the film should be so thin that the electrons in its passage through it is only scattered once. Otherwise, the pattern will be blurred by multiple scattering. Now, as in figure 2, on the photographic plate, a series of concentric rings around the spot made by the undeflected beam was observed. In some cases, these rings were uniform around the circumference. In others, the intensity was more or less concentrated in a series of spots on the circumference. The whole pattern of a series of concentric rings was due to diffraction of electrons by the thin films. Now, in the Debye scalar pattern of concentric rings observed for diffraction of X-rays, the diameter capital D of a ring is directly proportional to the wavelength of the waves. That is, capital D upon lambda is equal to constant. For the de Broglie wave associated with electrons accelerated through a potential difference of capital G volts, the wavelength is given by lambda is equal to hc upon under root k into k plus 2 me c square, which is equal to hc upon under root ev into ev plus 2 me c square, which is equal to h upon under root 2 me ev into 1 upon 1 plus ev upon 4 m0 c square का whole square, where terms of the order ev upon 2 me c square का whole square and higher were neglected. So we can say that using equation number 1, capital D into under root v into 1 plus ev upon 4 me c square is equal to constant. For a ring obtained in the electron diffraction pattern, Thomson's experiment results for aluminum foil V is equal to 17.5 to 56.5 keV and gold V is equal to 24.6 to 61.2 keV. Foil were in argument with the above relation. The agreement of the experiment results with the de Broglie wave hypothesis supports the existence of matter waves. Now, this means that the ordinary Newtonian mechanics are only a first approximation to the truth, bearing the same relation to the complete theory that geometrical optics does to the wave theory. That's all.